If you're even thinking about buying the Galaxy S26 Ultra, stop right now, because the biggest leaks of December 2025 have just dropped, and they could completely change your decision. We're talking about a delayed launch, 60W fast charging finally becoming reality, the Galaxy Edge model getting completely killed, and a major shift in Samsung's design philosophy that confirms ultra-slim phones are officially dead. If you click away, you might miss leaks that could literally save you hundreds of dollars. So stay locked in. Let's start with the first bombshell. The launch timeline is now locked. According to trusted leakers like Ice Universe and multiple Korean industry sources, Samsung will host Galaxy Unpacked in mid to late February 2026, with February 25th in San Francisco looking like the most likely date. That means the Galaxy S26 lineup, including the Ultra, won't hit stores until March 2026. This is a big shift from Samsung's usual January launches. The delay is reportedly due to last-minute production changes, Snapdragon validation, and Samsung prioritizing the Ultra after canceling the Edge model. So here's the big question. Is a February reveal worth it if the upgrades are bigger than ever? Now for some long-overdue good news. Charging is finally getting serious. Samsung has quietly launched its official 60W power adapter, EPT6010, and yes, it's already on sale. This charger supports PD 3.1 with PPS, ultra-low idle power consumption at just 5 milliwatts, and it's clearly designed with the Galaxy S26 Ultra in mind. Leaks suggest a 0 to 80% charge in around 30 minutes on a 5000 mAh battery. Even better, real-world testing shows fast charging has minimal long-term impact on battery health. After years of lagging behind Chinese brands, Samsung is finally catching up. Now for the bad, but maybe relieving news. The Galaxy S26 Edge is officially cancelled. After the Galaxy S25 Edge failed due to weak sales and major compromises in battery life and camera performance, Samsung has completely shut down the project. Reports say even Apple's ultra-thin iPhone concepts struggled internally. The message is clear. Users want power and endurance, not just thin phones. In 2026, the lineup sticks to Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. No more slim experiments. For bonus hype, leaks also point to Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging, camera improvements like a better 3x telephoto, and Snapdragon 8 Elite across all models for cooler, more consistent performance. Meanwhile, holiday deals on the S25 series are still insane. One UI 8 is rolling out now, but 6 hidden features are being saved exclusively for the Galaxy S26 Ultra launch. Want the full breakdown? Subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned. So, despite the delay, is the Galaxy S26 Ultra still your next phone? Drop your thoughts below, hit like if you're hyped, and I'll see you in the next one.